Hey there, MAC Beauties. My name is Leah Square. I'm the Field Executive Sales Manager for MAC Cosmetics based out of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And I have a little treat for you today. I'm gonna show you how to achieve the perfect matte complexion using 3 easy steps. My skin has been cleaned, prepped, and primed, so now I'm ready for step 1, which is applying a mattifying foundation. The foundation I'm using today is our top selling foundation. It's called Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15, and let me tell you, this foundation is the bomb. It's a lightweight liquid formula which gives you medium buildable coverage and 24 hours of wear. I'll repeat that, 24 hours of wear. Plus, it has the magic ingredient silica which keeps you matte and flawless all day long. I recommend the 188 brush for getting a smooth and even finish. Step 2, add dimension. Now, as you can see, the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation has my skin looking flawless, honey. However, I do need to bring a little bit of dimension and life back into my skin now that it's all one color. I'm gonna do that using our Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, 2 shades darker than my natural skin color. Now, this powder is obviously very well loved, so don't judge me. It does have the magic ingredient silica, which is gonna help keep us matte, and I'm just gonna apply that directly to the cheeks to bring back a little bit of dimension, a little bit of life, a little bit of that sun-kissed color. I'm gonna do that right around the temples as well. Oh yeah. Before moving on to step 3, I'm gonna give you a bonus pro tip. Use a lipstick to add extra dimension to the cheeks. So I'm using taupe lipstick, which is a matte color. I just so happen to also have it on my lips today, and I'm gonna apply a generous amount to the cheeks and then just use my finger to pat it in very gently. I'm gonna blend it into my contour as well so that the two work really seamlessly together. Step 3, set it and forget it. I'll be setting my makeup today with our Prep and Prime Fix Plus Matte. Now this particular setting spray has powder particles in it. It also has the magic ingredient of the day. Do you remember what it is? It's silica. Silica is gonna help me stay matte and flawless all day long. So I'm gonna give this setting spray a really good shake to mix those particles up, and then I'm gonna hold it about 7 to 10 inches away from the face and really get a good douse, a very liberal amount, evenly coated, and now I'm all set. As you can see, achieving the perfect matte skin is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We can't wait to see you inside of a matte counter near you so we can customize the perfect bundle for your skin tone. Thank you for watching.